Maayong adlaw sa atong tanan o welcome again sa amuang panibagong serye na hatod namo kaninyo karong adlaw. Since karong bulana is April, which is a tax season, we will discuss something about taxation. And ang among napili nga topic is about Estate Tax Amnesty. Para mapadali namo ang pag-discuss sa Estate Tax Amnesty, we will give you in this video 7 things you need to know about Estate Tax Amnesty. Once again, welcome to HATID serye. First thing, what is Estate Tax Amnesty? So under the law, Estate Tax Amnesty is a program of the government which provides a one-time opportunity for taxpayers to settle estate tax obligations and which gives reasonable tax relief to estates with outstanding estate tax liabilities. Kung sa Bisaya pa, usa ni siya ka programa sa atong gobyerno nga ginahatagan ang mga katawhan og one-time nga opportunity na bayaran ang estate tax na wala nila nabayaran para pod matagaan og reasonable tax relief ang kadtong mga tao nga naay mga pending or outstanding nga estate tax liabilities sa government. Second, what is the legal basis of granting estate tax amnesty?
So, ang legal basis for the granting of estate tax amnesty is from Republic Act number 11213, otherwise known as the Tax Amnesty Act, under Title 2 thereof. So, dihagi ka na ito ang estate tax amnesty.
So, if you want to look for the reference, you may research or you may search it through Google. Third one is, what is estate? Unsa rin itong ginatawag nga estate?
So, under sa ato ang revenue regulation, gidefine ang estate as all properties and interest in properties of the decedent at the time of his death, as well as properties he transferred during his lifetime, but in substance, ownership of the same was only transferred at the time of his death. So in short, ang estate is katong mga properties o mga interest sa properties sa usa ka tawo nga namatay at the time of his death.
Yes. So muna siya ang ginatawag nato na estate. So kung ang person namatay, na siya mga properties nga nahibilin, whether real properties or personal properties, then kana sila is ginatawag nato nga estate. Fourth one is, what is estate tax? So, under the law, estate tax is a tax on the right of the deceased person to transmit his or her estate to his or her legal heirs and beneficiaries at the time of death, and on certain transfers which are made by law as equivalent to testamentary disposition. So, in short, when you say estate tax, mao ni siya ang tax nga gina-impose sa government on the privilege of a person of transferring his or her properties upon death. Kung naay mamatay nga tao, then naa siya nabili na properties, ma-inherit man to sa iyahang mga legal heirs, then ang pag-transfer ato from the decedent to the legal heirs will be subject to estate tax. Another one is that ang estate tax, it is not a tax on property. Dili siya property tax, but it is a tax on the privilege, no? Kumbaga ang pribilehiyo sa usa ka tawo nga ma-transfer ang property from one person to another. Then fifth one is, who are covered or what are covered by the Estate Tax Amnesty.
Kinsa ba ang pwede maka-avail
O, muna siya. Kinsa ba ang pwede maka-avail og estate tax amnesty? So, under sa balaod, the estate tax amnesty shall cover the estate of decedent or decedents who died on or before December 31, 2017 with or without assessments duly issued therefore, whose estate tax or taxes have remained unpaid or have accrued as of December 31, 2017. So, ang important point diri is ang date na December 31, 2017. If ang person namatay siya on or before December 31, 2017, o yan naa siya yung mga nahibilin na mga properties, then kadto nga properties, pwede to siya makover sa estate tax amnesty. And dapat, ang kaning mga properties is wala pa siya na settle as of December 31, 2017. The sixth one is estate not covered by estate tax amnesty. So, aduna day mga estate or properties na dili makover sa estate tax amnesty. And what are those?
So, ang first guys nga dili covered sa estate tax amnesty is katong mga delinquent estate tax liabilities which have become final and executory. So, pasabot ang BIR na siya assessment sa estate sa isa ka decedent, and kato siya nga assessment nahimo ng final and executory. And nevertheless, although dili na siya covered sa estate tax amnesty, pwede pa maka-avail og amnesty under tax amnesty on delinquencies. Ikaduha, if ang estate or properties are involved in cases pending in appropriate courts. So, unsa ni siya nga mga cases? So, first is kung ang case is under the jurisdiction of the PCGGs or the Presidential Commission on Good Governance. Okay? Ikaduha is kung ang case naga-involve og unexplained or unlawfully acquired wealth under the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act and under the Act defining and penalizing the crime of plunder. Katulo is kung ang case naga-involve og violation of the Anti-Money Laundering Act. Kaupat is kung ang case nag-involve of tax evasion or violations of the National Internal Revenue Code. Ikalima is kung ang case naga-involve of fraud, illegal exactions and transactions, and malversation under the revised penal code.
The seventh and the last thing you need to know about estate tax amnesty are the immunities and privileges of availing estate tax amnesty. So, unsa tong mga immunity or privileges sa pag-avail ng estate tax amnesty? Number one is you are immune from payment of all estate taxes. Now, let me explain this particular line. This doesn't mean nga dili na ka magbayad og estate tax. Ang pasabot lang ani is dili daw ka liable sa estate tax imposed under the 1997 tax code or the old tax code. What will apply to you is the new tax rate for estate tax, which is 6%. The second one is you are immune from the payment of increments and additions thereto arising from the failure to pay all the estate tax liabilities for the year 2017 and prior years. So, say pasabot ani. Kanang dili kakabayad sa imong estate tax, ordinarily mag-incur gyud og mga penalties and interest ang imuhang estate tax liability. But with this tax or with this estate tax amnesty, you are no longer liable for penalties and interest as well as compromise penalty. The third one is you are immune from all appurtenant civil, criminal, and administrative cases and penalties under the 1997 Tax Code. So for example, if you have failed to pay your estate tax liabilities in the year 2017 and prior years, dili ka liable, dili ka pwede kasuhan og civil, criminal, og administrative cases regarding those unpaid estate tax liabilities. So, mga ka-hustisya, those are the 7 things you need to know about estate tax amnesty. However, ang among discussion dili mag-end diri. Naami video nga ihatag sa inyo ha, how to apply for estate tax amnesty. So, if you want to view that video, then subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. That's all. Thank you.